Hello and welcome to the class overview. The full class comes in two sections. In section 1 we create our brush, and in section 2 we create our painting. The first part of section 1 is focused on how to actually create a custom brush and what a custom brush is. In part 2 of section 1 we create a specific custom brush in which we actually want to fulfill a certain function. In section 2, we create a painting from start to finish. Remember that this is a follow-along class, so there's no part skipped, and every stroke happens in real time, so that you have the chance to actually pause, repeat, and contemplate on each decision that we're making during the painting process. In part 1, I will be debunking speed painting and get rid of some confusing terms like speed. In part 2, we create black and white composition sketches that will help us later on to define what we actually want to present in our speed painting. In part 3, we will pick and choose one of the composition sketches and start refining it. All of it still in black and white. In part 4, I will teach you some cool techniques on how to really efficiently color a black and white sketch and create some mood in your painting. Part 5 and 6 are probably the hardest, but also the richest parts, in which we will actually dive into the core of the painting process and where we already pick up some momentum. These parts are packed with information, yet they give you enough room to stand on your own legs and explore your qualities as well as your flaws and help you to become more honest on where you currently are artistically and technically. In part 7, we will make some final adjustments on the perspective, and in part 8 we will see what we have learned. Let's not waste any time and dive right into it. See you in section 1.